Here is how to add Spotify music to your Instagram story with sound. Open your Spotify application on your mobile device and also log into your specific account. Now go ahead and choose a song that you want to post in your story. Well, after that, go ahead and tap on this share button in the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll get different options, including the stories option with an Instagram icon. You can either choose your lyrics to post it on your story. I'm going to go ahead and select lyrics and then tap on stories. Now, this will directly open your Instagram application and the song with the lyrics will be added to your Instagram story. Add effects, mention anyone, or draw and save it as well. After that, tap on this icon over here in the bottom right corner and select your story and then tap on share in the bottom. Wait for a few minutes or a second for it to be fully posted on your story. And if you go ahead and open your story, the viewers will see the song and hear the music when they watch it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.